When it comes to fixing things, it's important to approach the task with care and consideration. However, there are certain common pitfalls that people may fall into that can hinder the process or make matters worse. Here are some ways in which you should not attempt to fix things. Avoiding or ignoring the issue won't make it go away. Ignoring a problem usually allows it to worsen over time, leading to bigger challenges down the road. It's important to confront and address issues head-on rather than hoping they will resolve themselves. Number 2. Rushing into solutions without understanding the problem. Jumping straight into fixing something without fully understanding the underlying cause can lead to ineffective or temporary solutions. Take the time to thoroughly analyze the problem, identify its root cause, and develop a well-informed plan of action. Number 3. Overcomplicating the solution. Sometimes, people tend to overthink or overcomplicate the solutions to problems. Strive for simplicity and practicality when seeking resolutions. Look for straightforward and effective approaches instead of adding unnecessary complexity to the process. Number 4. Applying quick fixes without considering long-term implications. While quick fixes may provide temporary relief, they often fail to address the underlying issues. Consider the long-term consequences and aim for sustainable solutions that address the root cause, rather than opting for band-aid fixes that only provide temporary relief. Number 5. Failing to seek help or advice when needed. It's important to recognize when a problem exceeds your expertise or capabilities. Refusing to seek help or advice from others who may have more knowledge or experience can hinder the resolution process. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance when necessary. Number 5. Letting emotions dictate actions. Making decisions based solely on emotions can cloud judgment and lead to impulsive or irrational actions. It's crucial to maintain a level-headed and rational approach when addressing problems. Take the time to calm your emotions, assess the situation objectively, and make informed decisions. Number 7. Neglecting proper research and preparation. Insufficient research and lack of preparation can lead to subpar solutions or even exacerbate the problem. Take the time to gather relevant information, explore different options, and adequately prepare before attempting to fix things. Remember, fixing things requires a thoughtful and systematic approach. By avoiding these pitfalls and adopting a patient, methodical mindset, you can increase your chances of effectively addressing and resolving problems. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.